Today I show you guys how to make chili oil. Hi, I'm Chef Ikey. I'm from Neko Bento.
So the chili oil is a family secret recipe. The ingredients we use to make the chili oil are all imported from different provinces from China. We use 4 different types of pepper and some other stuff. So this is the same chili oil we use for our spicy garlic edamame and the spicy dumpling. So we're located at 15202 Mason Road, suite number 400. Come and try our food.